We have a 2008 Lexus ISF, finished in beautiful Matador red. There's a walk around. Body is in very, very good condition. No major damage anywhere. Only thing to note, the door handles are slightly faded compared to the metal, just because they're plastic. It has this walled replica carbon spoiler. It has been clear coated and it's a tinted clear. So if you look really close, you still see the carbon, but it looks black when you look at it from afar. The car is lowered on Swift springs. Those are the factory wheels, powder coated gloss black. The calipers have been powder coated, that burnt orange color. As far as mods, it has PPE headers, which have been ceramic coated black. It has PTS Joe Z exhaust. Interior, very, very good condition. Door panels and the dash have been replaced by Lexus. The car was actually just at the Lexus dealer. It received a clean bill of health. Let's look under the hood. It does have all the VIN numbers, all the original VIN numbers. Every door, the hood, the fenders. You see, there's the VIN. A lot of plastic, but pretty clean. No issues, no leaks. Start this thing up. Radio, AC, everything works. This is cold start. As you can see, it quiets down once the RPMs drop. Just want to hear it.